Hello everyone, we're back at Athens Limestone Hospital. Want to introduce you to Dr. Ravi. Did I say that correctly?
That's correct.
Wonderful. Well, I want you to tell me a little bit about you.
I'm a board-certified general surgeon, and I came from India originally. I did my training in surgery in New York and came to Athens because I like the small town, and I have enjoyed the southern hospitality here.
You went from New York to Athens, Alabama.
That was a culture change from Midtown Manhattan to Athens, Alabama.
I went from Chicago to Alabama as well, so I understand that completely. What kind of doctor are you? Are you one that people are referred to?
That's right. I'm a specialist in general surgery. I do laparoscopic surgery, mainly gallbladders, and we also do a lot of endoscopies, that is colonoscopy, and also endoscopy of the stomach. And most of the time, when a patient has abdominal pains or other problems, the physicians refer them to me, and we do the diagnostic workup and appropriate surgery that they need.
There's a question on this sheet that I'm about to say, and it says, what does Athens Limestone Hospital do well? I'm imagining that's a trick question.
No. We have an excellent team in our surgery department, and we do very well with the surgery. We have a checklist, and it's just like flying a plane. Like the pilots do the checklist to make sure everything goes right. And the team members know exactly what the surgeon needs, and we move step by step, starting with explaining to the patient what they're going to have, and go through the surgery and talk to the family about that, and a follow-up care too. So from the beginning to the end, it's a smooth
Transition
procedure for the
around.
patients.
I imagine once the patient is seeing you, they're in some pretty bad shape from time to time.
Sometimes, yes, especially emergency surgeries, when patients come to the emergency room, like a ruptured appendix or major injuries, they're in a critical shape, and you improve their general condition and then take to the operating room and take care.
Well, your New York accent is pretty good.
Well, thank you. I thought I have developed a southern drawl.
Glad you have. You're very easy to understand.
Well, thank you.
Is there anything else I know you want to add before we go?
I have to say, Limestone County, we need to change the name to Gallstone County. I think there are so many patients with gallbladder trouble. And also, we see a lot of colon cancers. And I recommend everybody over 50 to definitely get a screening colonoscopy, because once it is diagnosed early, it can be treated well, and we'll be happy to take care of the patients here.
That is great. I know Athens Limestone Hospital is very happy to have you on staff.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pleasure meeting you.
Appreciate
Okay, bye-bye. All right, Athens Limestone Hospital. Be sure to check out their website. Bye.